want to introduce my project into you, and I'm ready for any questions that you have.
Who helped you in this project?
Yeah, first of all, my family, I want to say thank you for them all. They helped me so a lot to improve my project, and after that my school is very beneficial for me for this one, and to increasing my information in this project and to increase it. The project is about to removing the inflammation of teeth and to whiten teeth in a natural way. I mean, while the ingredients doesn't contain any chemical substances or harmful or things. And I want to improve it in the future if Allah agrees us. And thanks for God till now I tested on some people and the results are on me. I mean the benefit. The ingredients, the first one is charcoal, some chopped charcoal or we can say coal, and the second one is somehow of a baking soda which is so useful to whiten teeth, and this one is a powder milk which increase the calcium in our teeth. After that we have some salt which is a great help to remove the inflammation in our teeth, and after that we have lemonade which is so useful in both a helper into whiten and to removing the inflammation teeth.